Summer is around the corner, and who doesn't want the perfect tan? So I'm gonna show you a secret. This is a no green smoothie. This is actually a red-orange smoothie, so you can have the red-orange skin on you. The perfect tan with this smoothie. Drink it before taking the sun. Hi, welcome to Las Recetas de Laura. My name is Laura and I teach you how to cook delicioso. And today we're making this smoothie that is super nutritious. It's actually gonna help you with bloating. It's gonna take you to the bathroom. And the best part is that it has betocarotenes. What is that? Yes, that is the substance in your body that is gonna help you to grab out that beautiful tan color and gonna help you to keep irritated with this drink. So are you ready? Let's go, amigas. Vamos a prepararlo. So for this recipe, you're gonna need 1 cup of papaya. Papaya has some special enzymes that are gonna help you to digest whatever you have. So they are great if you are suffering from constipation. And the great part about the papaya and the tomate that we will be using is that they are full of beta-carotene. And this is gonna help you to grab the color. It's actually what gives the color to this fruit. This actually, tomato is also fruit, to these both fruits. We're gonna use some lemon. We're gonna use a carrot that also has a lot of beta-carotene. 1 spoon of flaxseed to have the healthy fats for our body, and 1.5 cups of water. So let's start with this. Now guys, vamos a licuar. Let's liquefy until pulverized. Once it is pulverized, this is ready to go. And you can actually have this as breakfast or just have it at least 1 hour before you're taking your suntan. It smells so yummy, fresh, perfect for summer days. Delicioso. At any time of the day, any day of the week, if you want a suntan or you just want to combat bloating or constipation, this is just amazing. Guys, I hope you enjoy it and look for daily inspiration. I have thousands of smoothies, no, not thousands, but many smoothies on my YouTube channel as Las Recetas de Laura, on my blog also as Las Recetas de Laura, and look for me on Instagram for daily inspiration. Remember, mi casa es tu casa, and I see you next week with another delicious and great smoothie for a healthy life. Adios.